Hello, it's Patrick with Lone Wolf Software, and this is a quick tutorial to show you how to create a vehicle in Automotive Wolf, our car care software. And we'll also show you how to find the specs on the vehicle, the manufacturer's specifications for your vehicle. All right, so right now you see Automotive Wolf on your screen. It's the main interface, and we have a Mazda RX-7 loaded right now, but we're going to go ahead and create a new vehicle here. So just click on the Create button, and we have some information we have to fill out. So you select your make, and let's do an Audi today. Now you can actually click in these boxes and enter anything. If we don't have the particular model for your car, we have most of them, but you know they're always releasing new models and new makes. So if we don't have it, you can click in the box and enter it yourself. So to choose an Audi here, and that should load all the models. And let's do an A3 today, and let's make it a brand new vehicle, 2015. I don't have an image to select, so we'll just skip that part. Click OK. So you have to enter a few factors here so that Automotive Wolf has some information on your vehicle. First thing is we'll do the current odometer. Now anywhere in Automotive Wolf that you have red text on these windows, you can click on that and it'll open up a little number pad where you can enter the information very quickly. So the current odometer, we'll make it 1,000 miles. Distance driven per year, let's say 20,000. That's about average. Approximate miles per gallon, we'll enter 20. And approximate fuel cost per gallon, it's just what the average fuel cost is right now. So I think right now it's about $2.40 a gallon. Enter that. And insurance payment, we'll say $1,000 per year. Okay, so the next thing you do is you're presented with a window to choose your maintenance schedule, and you have 4 choices: basic, medium, full, and a minimum. So we'll just choose the basic one for now. You can modify these maintenance schedules for your specific vehicle. In fact, we recommend after you create the vehicle to go into your owner's manual and just go through the owner's manual and look for anything that you want to add or modify. So we'll just choose the basic maintenance setting for your vehicle. And the other thing we want to know is the distance driven since the last oil change. Oil change is very, very important for the car. So it's definitely something that you want to enter. So in this case, we'll say the last oil change was at 500 miles. And click OK. And basically that's done. You have an Audi that's loaded now. And of course there's no image. We'll enter an image later for the vehicle. So if you click on the maintenance tab, you'll see right now you have nothing entered because you haven't entered any maintenance records. But if you click on the What's Due tab, you'll see that the only thing that's due right now is it wants you to check the level of your oil because that hasn't been checked for 500 miles. And we have a couple gauges here that are displayed. And of course, you have the vehicle health status gauge, which is in the good range because it's a pretty new car and basically oil change is up to date. Everything's up to date on it right now. You can also go to the pending, and you'll see some of the pending things that are going to be due in the future for the car. And Automotive Wolf has a lot of power and basically will let you completely configure your vehicle the way you want. So after the vehicle's created, and you can enter an image up here, of course, if you want to. And the next thing we'll do is just go to the specs, and we'll find the vehicle in the manufacturer specifications. Click on the specs button. Here, this is going to actually search through a very large database of vehicles, makes and models, pretty much all of them since about 1944. In this case, we already have the database downloaded. If you just install the software, it's going to prompt you to download the database, which just takes a minute or so. But we have it downloaded here, so I'll click the yes button, and it'll start searching. So you can see it's searching through the database, looking for the Audi A3 models that we have in the database. Just take a few seconds here. Now once it finds your vehicle, you're going to have, in fact it may find several versions of it. You just choose the one that most closely matches your particular vehicle, and you'll have specifications right from the manufacturer. So you can see we found quite a few A3s here. So in this case, you just go through the A3s and you'd find the one that mostly fits yours. So we'll say it's the 2.0 TDI 170 Quattro. Click that select button and click OK. And you can see all the manufacturer specifications for your vehicle are found and loaded. And you have pretty much everything here: car length, brake horsepower, engine size, just about everything the manufacturer lists for your car is going to be in the database and will be available to you. And in fact, you can, if you have any specifications that you want to add to this, you just can simply right click in it and add a new technical specification. So really a great option in Automotive Wolf. Really no other car care software has it. And it's a great thing to have on hand for your vehicle in case you need to find a part, in case you need to go to the manufacturer, or in case you need to even get some work done in your car. You have all this information available. So that was a quick tutorial on Automotive Wolf, creating a vehicle and finding the specs. And that's all for now. And please watch more of our videos and our demos about Automotive Wolf in the future. Thanks for listening.